There's supposed to be an HRE meet today, and I'm trying to get one of my buddies to go with me. I called Alex, but the motherfucker didn't answer. Let's call this guy. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Just home, getting out on the couch.
Are you busy today?
No,
There's this car meet, HRE meet in Vista, if you want to go.
you want me to go over there, or you come pick me up?
I can pick you up. Just give me like 20 minutes, cause I'm gonna take a quick shower.
Alright, let's do.
So what, you down to go?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll pick you up in like 20 minutes.
Alright, then.
Alright, later.
Later.
Yeah, I love this kid. He's always down to go wherever. See you guys there. Always keep some chips in there. There's a dog in the street. Get out of the street, you dog.
Straight. On the next street, progress, make it right. It's gonna send you to that place, okay?
Cool.
All
Thank you, man. Damn. Oh shit. Check out this dog. Yeah, he knows what's up.
12-inch turbo in it. It has the intake built into the headlight. And then the black one.
Cars in here with wheel and tire packages that cost more than 20,000 clams. You can certainly afford a $5 raffle ticket at the HRE booth in the front of the building, or at the mother's booth in the back of the building. Buy yourself a raffle ticket. At 1:30, we are going to be giving away an extensive, exhaustive
That's sick.
Front of the building at 10 a.m. 25 minutes before we get down on that floor. It's really neat. Picture for you. The fleet of
The owner of the company seems to think that this happens. When you go around a turn.
Let's go check it out inside.
What's up? I'm good. How are you?
Like a Beamer. What was your favorite car over there?
My favorite car was the gray McLaren inside the actual HRE wheels shop. It's hella. And for everybody out there, one of my friends is getting jealous and I got kicked out of a group chat for it.
Haters. Oh shit, here she is.
Might be for sale now.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in the S. I might be selling it if I get a good offer. I really want to get R32, so thanks for watching and subscribe.
Two Shoes 369.